Or the look, or the see people, officer arrest me for come on a road where Chinese offense. Andrew Wonis, go suck your mother. Batty man. Give him a look around. Alright, look around. See the people?
Yeah, we're not playing.
We're not playing. So, give him back your rum. Give him, put him down. Yes.
Yeah, again.
What do you job?
You work. Around town now when I come and look for him good. I come from town. You work.
Oh, so some boy, so we say rich madness. What's some boy deal with? We say rich madness.
Mad people there. Move, move, move. Yo, welcome back to SouFLoTV again, everybody. It is your host with the most. So according to the star straight out of Jamaica, L.A. Lewis' head is to get tested. And this was ordered by a judge that he undergoes a psychiatric evaluation for the entertainer. I don't know, alone still I look for Trillionaire Records. Anyhow, the story said that Horace Lewis is his real name, more popularly known as L.A. Lewis, and his co-accused will have to be evaluated by psychiatrists before they can appear in court once again. He is currently charged along with a man named Ras Nature Forever and Ras Wade Selassie I for breaches of the Disaster Risk Management Act, or the DRMA, because you know COVID are going. People supposed to be on lockdown, and some people have decided to take it upon themselves to come out in the public. Some people have said, no, COVID now go on, it's a hoax and all these things, so me now wear no mask, blah, blah, blah. Well, L.A. Lewis is one of those people. So, Parish Court Judge Monique Harrison ordered the report be done after the three of them Monday appear in the St. Catherine Parish Court on Tuesday. And when asked if they had legal representation, L.A. Lewis said that they had not been arrested by the police, Your Honor. We were actually kidnapped for defending a female. You see? So the police them kidnapped him. So you tell the judge, you know, we were not arrested, Your Honor. The judge want to know, where's your lawyer, where's your legal representation as you stand before me in court today? And the man goes straight to that. You understand? I was not arrested. We were kidnapped. You see? Honestly, I thought he was going to say, I am here to defend myself and I will be my own attorney. So it looked a little better and then it get worse. So Harrison then ordered, which is the judge, ordered that a psychiatric report for the next court appearance be ready on March 16. L.A. Lewis and him compadres them insisted that they are mentally stable. Nothing wrong with we head good. Everybody else I say, mad, sick, head no good. Mad, sick, head no good. The allegations are that on October 3rd, about 2:45 p.m., L.A. Lewis and other persons were protesting in Spanish Town against the government orders for persons to wear masks to prevent the spread of COVID across the island. You know what I say? The police instructed the group to disperse, but they refused. In addition to being charged with breaches of the DRMA, L.A. Lewis and his co-accused were subsequently arrested and charged with disobeying the constable's command and failure to move and keep on moving. They have maintained their innocence, citing that they cannot be charged. Why? I want to get these people. Because them not fall under Jamaica laws, rules and regulations. They are protected by the Maroon Law. As me see a video where a man across LA and tell him about Maroon, which part? Which part are you a Maroon? Anyhow, L.A. Lewis has consistently claimed to be a close relative of Britain's Queen Elizabeth II, and he has declared that he is paramount chief high priest of the Nyan Kopong Maroons. The Maroon them say, not no go so. However, the colonel of the Akompong Maroons recently threatened L.A. Lewis with a flogging. More beat him after labeling him a troublemaker for ascribing to himself as someone with maroon heritage. Now, here what? Mad, sick, head no good. Mad, sick, head no good. Something about L.A. Lewis still. Let me tell you something. Just like this. On one end, and I want you to remember this, there is a thin line between genius and insanity. I did a video about 4 years ago on L.A. Lewis where I asked the question, is this guy genuinely insane, madman in a clean clothes, or is he a marketing genius? So a lot of people at the time said, SouFlo, marketing genius, my ass, the youth mad. Is a mad, crazy, sick youth when he fit on a Bellevue for medication. You hear that? Somebody need to monitor him. But I've been watching over the years. You understand? When the videos come through on social media and these kind of things, and every now and then we catch a video of his, and sometimes him talk sense and sometimes he makes no sense at all. But that is how people behave that have schizophrenia or any kind of mental issues they suffer from. Is usually they have a moment of clarity. So I don't know if some of the video that me see him is in his moment of clarity, and then other videos I've seen is when him in a mental crisis. Me no know. But I can tell you this. The whole L.A. Lewis inventing himself, inventing a character, and being able to live by it, as in, he's famous. Nobody can take that away from him. Everybody know L.A. Lewis because L.A. Lewis is famous. Isn't that what being famous is about? Everybody knows you. Everybody on the island of Jamaica knows L.A. Lewis if you say L.A. Lewis. The thing is, what do they know him for? I don't think them know him for nothing constructive. He's had trillionaire records for, I've been mentioning trillionaire records for a long time. I don't know not one hit song or one big song or one leading artist that is signed to and is put out there by Trillionaire Records. But anyhow, we keep on touting that he has his own record label. He keeps on saying that, you know, money long. As you can see in this video, that was supposed to be like $100 million or something like that. Some extravagant amount of US dollars. All over the place and all this. Whether the money is real or fake, I was not there, I don't know. But I would suspect that if he had that much money in real life, then he would have probably moved somewhere else or do something better. But how a man want to live his life, it's his business. See? So the question is L.A. Lewis a mad, smaddy, walking, clean clothes madman? And my answer is, every time I watch a video them, I am confused, man.
And go and release a Bill Gates and give money to come buy out the people.
Because 1 minute me I say that brother is mad, you know. And then the next minute me I say, you know, so it makes sense right there. So honestly, genuinely don't know everything at this point. But anyhow, we will find out soon because the judge has ordered at this point that he undergoes some psychiatric evaluation and that the report and findings of that psychological evaluation be presented to her at his next court appearance. I don't know of a judge ordering a psychological evaluation for somebody simply because you went into the courtroom and you didn't answer her questions correctly, or you say you want to defend yourself, etc., etc. I think he went in the courtroom and the judge took one look at him, and when the judge asks what the judge asks, the judge measured the reply. And when the judge measured the reply, the judge probably said, but you know, so they idiot, they're living in an alternate universe. you know, so them look like something wrong with them, but the judge probably couldn't say that out loud. So what the judge responded with is, before I go ahead and say some things, let me have a psychological evaluation done. That way I have some legal ground to stand on when we call this man out batshit crazy. Alright? Leave your comments in the comment section below. Tell me what you think about this one. Is L.A. Lewis crazy? Or is he a marketing genius? Or is it a mixture of both? And remember again, like I said before, there's a thin line between genius and insanity. Me just think say LA live on the insanity side more than him live on the genius side. More while, but it works. I'm out. Peace.
What's a ball? That's always a rich madness. What's a boy dealing? we say rich badness.